In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a study plan in Notion. So in here, after successfully accessing the homepage of your Notion account, what we're going to do is we're going to simply navigate on the page where we would like to add the study plan into. Let's say for this video, we'll be utilizing this test page in here. Now, if you want to create a study plan, there are various ways in Notion on how to represent your plan in here. It depends on the user on what they prefer or the need. But for this video, let's say we're going to utilize the most popular one, which is the timelines. So in timelines, to add it, you simply type slash, and in here, you simply search timeline. You can see under database, we have timeline view. You simply click this, and this will then open up a calendar and cards wherein you can adjust the cards to cover a specific range, which means that you will be doing this specific task on this certain date. So what you do in here is that you will simply input in here the studies that you have to do. Let's say from October 19 to October 23, we have to do study science. Then you input in here your context. Then you click save. In card 2, let's say we're going to do study mathematics. Then you input in here all your necessary context. Then let's do the same to card 3. Now with this, you can see a complete overview of the date as well as the range of study that you're going to do. You can adjust this as well, make it shorter, depending on the need or depending on your time range. So by using this, you're able to track the date of your study and monitor how much you have been studying this recent times. And that's about it. That's how to make a study plan in Notion. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.